Perfect 10 for Ross. Looks pretty good for UCLA, doesn't it? So now they have 2 9-9s and a 10, and they still have Peng Lee and Caitlin Ohashi. And again, Ohashi's working off back-to-back perfect 10s on the balance beam. Watch this mount. That's an homage to a former Bruin, Leah Homa, the Homa Flares. Coach Val is big on bringing the past back and making it new again. They'll bring back music, moves on the floor, from routines from past Bruin greats.
Big power right here. Back handspring layout, 2 feet. Little balance check, dancing right out of it.
Wow.
You know, I always tell you this, Jim. I appreciate the risk. You know, you see a lot of the same skills over and over. It's something simple like a mount. When I say simple, it's not that it's simple. It's actually very hard. But the aggressiveness and the moves that make an athlete stand out, the double turn on the balance beam. Many athletes would like to skip the full turn. She dances right in, coming up a little bit short, but a great routine for her.
A little rougher on the edges towards the back end of that routine, but it's still going to draw a big score. UCLA